sa posibleng pagpapauwi at assistance kay Mary Jane Veloso. Tatalakayin natin kasama si Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak. Secretary, magandang tanghali po.
Yes, magandang tanghali po sa inyong mga tagapakinig, tagapanood.
Dito po sa posibleng pagpapauwi kay Mary Jane Veloso mula Indonesia, tuloy na po ba kaya ito? Ano po ang nakikita nyo nga posibilidad? Siguro on a scale of 1 to 10.
Well, tayo ay just taking signals from our colleagues at the DFA, kina Sec. Ricky Manalo, of course, from the Department of Justice as well. So, we look forward to of course, welcoming Mary Jane back home. Of course, in the context of whatever decision or judgment will be made, in Indonesia, and again, we will be part of a whole of government team to help Mary Jane. Already, we have been helping the family, nung si Secretary Toots Ople ay nagbigay na ng financial assistance kay Nanay Celia and the family. So, patuloy lang on the welfare side, which is the area ng DMW anyway. We stand ready to provide any necessary assistance. We could very well see Mary Jane in whatever context ng kanyang panunumbalik, to visit her and to see her and to look into her well-being. And of course, sina Nanay Celia and the family, we continue to keep in touch and will properly provide the necessary guidance and welfare assistance as well to Mary Jane's family.
Sec, ano po ang mga susunod na mangyayari o hakbang kapag nakauwi na nga ng Pilipinas si Mary Jane Veloso?
Well, I think yung context ng kanyang panunumbalik, again, we will have to rely on yung advisory or should I say directive ng ating Department of Foreign Affairs and Department of Justice, I will not try to preempt or say anything in advance, ng panunumbalik ni Mary Jane. I know may konteksto yung pinag-uusapan na panunumbalik ni Mary Jane in the context of the existing case in Indonesia. I won't venture into the details if that's okay, Ms. Nina, kasi itong situation na ito ay in the area of the DFA and the DOJ. Ang sa amin is the welfare side. So we stand ready. Pag-uwi niya, we will make an effort to visit her and look into her well-being and provide the necessary assistance to her, whatever is needed under the circumstances, in coordination with the DFA, the DOJ, and then, of course, kina Nanay Celia and the family. We always look toward the welfare and well-being of Mary Jane's family as well.
Secretary, nakausap na po ba ng pamahalaan si Mary Jane Veloso at ang kanyang pamilya tungkol po sa development na ito?
Hindi ako certain sa aspeto na yan. I think kailangan tanungin ng DFA and DOJ along those lines. But of course, we are in communication with the family, but on the welfare side. As to yung matter on panunumbalik, we will have to rely on the DFA and DOJ.
Okay, we understand, Secretary, no? So, on the welfare side, ano po specifically yung mga assistance ng inyong kagawaran pagdating na po ni Mary Jane dito po sa bansa?
Yeah, as I said, first and foremost would be a visit, of course, in the context of approvals by the necessary authorities and coordination with the DFA and the DOJ. Kung ano man ang pangangailangan niya, we can coordinate this with the proper authority and provide it accordingly. Kung ano man ang mabibigay ng DMW. And of course, yung pamilya, as I mentioned, we will keep in close touch with Nanay Celia and the family here in the Philippines. If it entails having to facilitate or assist the family of Mary Jane to visit her or to see her, then we will do so. We will assist in that regard.
Mensahe nyo na lang po sa pamilya ni Mary Jane Veloso.
Yes, kay Nana Stella at sa pamilya Veloso, makakasiguro po kayo ng patuloy namin tulong at suporta sa inyo. At nandito po kami para gabayan at alalayan po kayo. At rest assured, nandito kami to continue yung assistance that we provide. And as I said, it can come in various forms, no? So, yung anumang logistical or transport assistance that the family may need, yung welfare, financial and livelihood assistance that we can provide, all of those we can further provide kasi may nabigay na in the past.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Nina, sa inyong tagapakinig, tagapanood. Maraming salamat po. God bless.